Welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Hope everyone is doing well. It's going to be game 2 of the IPL. Mumbai Indians versus the Kolkata Knight Riders at the Wankhede. For me, I'm looking at first versus 10th, but cricket is a funny game. It's not played on paper, it's played on the ground. If Kolkata can turn things around, not only does their team look weak, their history against Mumbai looks weak as well. Rohit Sharma has scored plenty of runs against them. So has the likes of Surya, his former team. And the likes of Bumrah, they loved bowling against KKR. This is going to be, I think, a one-sided game, but let's see, man. If KKR pull something off here, it'll give them a lot of confidence and it will shut a lot of us up, like especially me, who's criticized them all day long. But yeah, joining me is Faiz. Faiz, looking forward to the game today.
Yeah, bhai, like again, levels apart, fil वक्त दिख रहा है from squad wise, but देखो T20 cricket है ये. We're not going to write KKR completely off, but अभी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि Mumbai is in the driving seat now. वानखेड़े में है, conditions will favor Mumbai, obviously home support, but KKR definitely would want to turn a few heads. And I think back in 2012 or 13, KKR was the first game for Mumbai, which they beat. I think KKR beat Mumbai or something like that. So I mean, again, I'm just going to say like Mumbai looks the favorite right now. Because of whatever is happening with KKR. And looking forward, obviously, the IPL, I mean, yesterday wasn't the greatest for me personally and you as well as Sunrisers Hyderabad. But I think now we have to look forward to other people's games right now just to get off, what we witnessed yesterday. And I think, Mumbai is the squad that everybody will be looking at, right? Like the strength that they possess, कोई ना कोई weakness तो ढूंढने चाहिए यार लोग.
Yeah, 100%. And, if you look at their 11, like they have 11 match winners over there. I hope, I don't know, like I spoke to a lot of Mumbai fans. They're saying, Santner will probably start unless there's an injury over there. But I hope that they play Allah Ghazanfar. I'm really looking forward to that, and Rutherford as well. Because I feel these two are the kind of X factors that they were missing. Aap dekhe, pichle seasons mein, it was their lower order. They weren't finishing games. Their bowling, they were missing that middle over spark. I think these two can contribute in that situation.
100%. I think, like you mentioned, they can definitely contribute in the middle overs, put the pressure on the opposition. Mitchell Santner, I think, because seniority का भी मसला है, and again he'll bat, right, Mustafa Bhai. So I think वो हिसाब से, I don't know what the situation with Will Jacks is though. Is he there? Is he going to play as well?
I think so. Like उन लोग Santner और उसका कुछ बोले थे. There was some report on Cricinfo. I need to go through it, but I think so. Otherwise, they do have options, man. They can play Rutherford. They can play Rickleton.
भाई शार्दुल ठाकुर भी डाल ले सकते हो ना, कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
लेकिन ऑप्शन
हार्ट अटैक के जैसा
बुमराह भी आ गया. अभी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज मतलब एक दिन से चल रहा है कि ही इज बैक इन द कैंप एंड एवरीथिंग. ही शुड बी प्लेइंग. सो आई थिंक
लोगों को समझा एनसीए गया तो शायद कुछ लेट इंजरी हो गई जसप्रीत बुमराह को, बट अगेन वो स्ट्रेंथ एंड कंडीशनिंग के लिए गए थे. हार्दिक पांड्या के 4 ओवर लेंगे, दैट विल आल्सो बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर देम. हार्दिक द लीडर मुस्तफा, अगेन कल उनका भी शुरुआत है इम्तिहान की साथ चुके हैं एमआई वाले. अब लास्ट चांस दे रहे होंगे उनको भी.
इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये कि मुंबई इंडियंस हमेशा स्लो शुरू करती. अगर यहाँ पे स्लो शुरू कर दी तो फिर बम्बू पड़ेगा. बिकॉज द थिंग इज आप इतना पैसे खर्च किए और लाइक इवन नॉट इवन पैसा, आप अच्छी स्काउटिंग भी करके आप अगर केकेआर से हार जाते फर्स्ट मैच तो वो एक्सक्यूज नहीं चलेगा ना कि वी आर स्लो स्टार्टर्स. आई डोंट थिंक फैंस विल टेक दैट, इवन तो दे माइट से इट एज लिप सर्विस. मगर ये टाइम आप स्लो स्टार्ट एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर सकते. आपको जीतना ही पहला गेम, आपको टोन सेट करना है. यू कैन नॉट, इफ यू आर सेइंग दैट वी स्टार्ट स्लो एंड यू लूज टू केकेआर, दैट इज एक्सेप्टिंग मीडियोक्रिटी एंड दैट्स नॉट अ चैंपियनशिप मेंटालिटी इन माय ओपिनियन. सो ये मैच नहीं हार सकते. इन जनरल यू कैन लूज टू केकेआर, इन जनरल यू कैन लूज टू एनी टीम, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर गेम व्हेन अ टीम इज इन द एम्बुलेंस and you have a stacked buffet, you should not be losing this game. And KKR, just a few words, man. Like I think some things are unfortunate, their bowling thing, but we already talked about this before. Their auction was also a mess. They'd taken gambles. Now they have to pray that Cameron Green turns out to be like Michael Jordan for them. They have to pray that Seifert and Finn Allen can hit it out of the park, but it does not look good. You saw with Sunrisers, when you have a weak bowling attack, what can happen, and the same can be said about KKR as well.
Bilkul bhai. I think the interesting thing over there will be how they balance their foreign employees, right? Like I think right now I would say Blessing Musarabani might play, but it could also be Tim Seifert, Cameron Green, Finn Allen, because they would probably back what the strengths are, right? Like Wankhede, chota ground hai Mustafa bhai, Finn Allen and Seifert, I think they've played there in the World Cup. They did well. Combination मुश्किल है रहने के साथ बिल्कुल, लेकिन I think वैभव अरोड़ा के साथ नवदीप सैनी या उमरान मलिक को खिलाएंगे because हर्षित आउट है of the season. If I'm doing that, then एक spot मेरा foreigner का खुल रहा, and I would just back what my strength is. I think I would go Finn Allen and Tim Seifert with Cameron Green and one more foreigner, right? Like the other foreigner I'm missing who is gonna be there, but you would have to do that because there's no other option for you. Like maybe if you want even Robin Powell को डाल दो, आप just go all Indian bowling attack. Just to have some hope at least with the bat, अगर आप 200-250 मार दिए something like that, just to give them a little bit more confidence. But अब Blessing उजर रबानी को रखेंगे आप. I don't know what other options they have. I'm forgetting someone in the middle order, I think, foreigner. But yeah, it looks like to me personally, if you ask me, I would play Tim Safford finale.
Tim Safford, Finn Allen. Yeah, I mean they've got Cameron Green as well over there, and let's see what happens. And Sunil Narayan also will probably play. So that is
तो ये
good.
4 लोगों के साथ मैं खेलूंगा. I know Blessing, but Blessing उजर रबानी या like अच्छा कर रहे हैं. He's doing well in the inter
मगर
squad match.
क्या नवदीप सैनी वो आपको क्या होगा मालूम from going like from 50 runs in over you might go 80 runs in. That's a risk, like yeah,
But वही
like that
India
is
में आप back कर लो उसको, वैसा वाली बात है.
yeah, it doesn't look good for KKR, but never say never. Like I said, miracles can happen. I think the best bet is Mumbai में वानखेड़े में ड्यू आएगा. I think पहले bowling कर लो, अगर टॉस जीत गए तो जितना भी खा लिए, just hope that आपके ओपनर खड़ा मार देते. I think that's the best way to win the game for KKR. If you had to pick your fantasy picks, I'll limit it because there's so many options, and I will limit it to 2-2 because if I give you 4 and you pick, you're gonna pick all Mumbai. There's no doubt about it. So yeah, I'll pick 2-2 right now.
I think Jasprit Bumrah, bhai, like again, he'll probably aim for the purple cap. And with the bat, I'll go Rohit Sharma. I think Mumbai ka Raja after 8 months is going to play a T20 match. I think 8 to 10 months maybe. So yeah, I think Rohit Sharma after the IPL, this is his first T20 game if I'm not mistaken, or maybe he must have played somewhere. I'm not sure, but yeah, these two people I'm looking forward to. With KKR, रिंकू सिंह बिकॉज वाइस कैप्टन का रोल निभाना पड़ेगा भाई. अब इनको थोड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा. एंड फिनालन को रखेंगे भाई बिकॉज बॉलिंग में सब कोई ऑप्शन नहीं दिख रहा सिवाय पे भी वरुण चक्रवर्ती एंड सुनील नारायण.
Yeah, I think that's fair enough. Thank you everybody for joining us. You catch us live on Chasing Trophies for the preview just before the game, and then we're going to do the live on Chasing the Target watch along. We'll also have a review, hopefully live and recorded after the game. So there's a lot of content coming in the IPL. Thank you, Fez. It's a long tournament, so we hope that our team wins in the next game so that we cheer up a bit. Otherwise, this is going to get a bit depressing. But thank you for joining. Thank you, everybody, and see you guys soon.